Quest of the Mountain, Prince Idaho. Tuesdays, 10:15 a.m. on Cartoon Network.
The dream world is a vast and wondrous place. This is so cool. We are dream chasers. It is a plan to protect these realms from immense mankind. Let me show you what real gravity looks like.
Is this the weirdest dream I have ever had?
You have no idea.
Wednesday, 7:45 p.m. on Cartoon Network.
So you're saying you could travel back in time? I could save my parents. Everything in the past. You know who you are? Yeah, I'm better.
Make the Mega Builders. Mega Abby, Mega Elmer.
To do both.
You get to see the movie before me. Do you know how I can do both?
No, sounds like a lame idea. No, we're only supposed to use the scepter for good. How did you ask for this time?
To watch and learn. Teleport to the living room.
What strange family.
Junior!
Oh, this is taking so long. I might as well go to the movies and come back. Hey, that's what I should do. Right? Meet me in front of the cinema and bring some clothes. Thanks, buddy. I'll explain later. Let's go to the cinema.
Junior?
Hey, no